In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Google Sheets cell. If you've ever typed a long sentence into a spreadsheet and noticed that it spills into the next column or gets cut off, text wrapping is exactly what you need. It helps keep your sheet neat and makes sure all of the content in a cell stays visible without forcing you to widen the column too much. Let's walk through it together. First, go to your Google Sheet, open the spreadsheet where you want to adjust the text display. Once you're inside the sheet, take a moment to find the cell that contains the text you want to format. Next, click on the cell with the text you want to wrap. This selects the cell so Google Sheets knows exactly where you want the formatting to be applied. Make sure you've clicked the correct cell before moving on. After that, highlight the text. This helps confirm the content you're working with, especially if the cell contains a longer sentence or paragraph. If the text is difficult to read because it extends beyond the cell boundary, don't worry, that's exactly what we're about to fix. Now move to the top menu and click on Format. This menu contains a variety of options for changing how data looks inside your spreadsheet. It's where you can adjust text appearance, alignment, and in this case, how text is displayed inside a cell. From the Format menu, click on Wrap. Once you do that, Google Sheets will automatically place the text on multiple lines within the same cell, instead of letting it overflow into nearby cells. This makes the contents much easier to read and gives your spreadsheet a cleaner, more organized look. If your row height changes after applying wrap, that's completely normal. Google Sheets usually expands the row automatically so all wrapped text can be shown. This is especially useful for notes, descriptions, addresses, or any longer entries that don't fit neatly on one line. And that's all it takes to wrap text in a Google Sheets cell. It's a simple formatting change, but it can make a big difference in readability and presentation. If you're working with lots of text in a spreadsheet, this is one of the easiest ways to keep everything looking tidy and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.